On the spot, not a match. Red House forward quick match. CPL SIF and BCom second year. Red captain Vicky BCom third year. Woman Sarida BSc second year. Green team captain Ramesh third year BCom. Woman captain Sangeeta third year BSc. Yellow team captain Sivakumar third year BSc. Woman captain Pooja Kavi second year BSc. Blue team captain Ramanan first year BSc. Woman Amnu third year BSc.